Or did the hustle get it? She's just so cute.
Is she?
Very gentle with it. Very gentle.
I need to see her face.
Somebody did not plug in the video camera for me so I could charge. I have to use this one.
But you charged it already.
No, I was charging a little bit at the house.
Let me get you two.
And I couldn't get up.
Okay, a little bit closer for the camera. There it is. Okay. You want to stand by the chair so you can be in the picture?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Is that okay?
Oh, that is cute.
It's so cute.
Oh. Oh.
I can't help it. She's
Move your hand,
so
Oscar.
cute.
Just cover up your face. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
She's gonna go back.
As long as she's looking at her hand, she's okay.
Why is she eating her hand?
She's hungry.
She's eating her hand.